Hello everyone, so I'm here with a quick hair tip today. What I have on is a little unit or wig. I like to say wig, I know some people say unit, that I made like a year ago. So when I initially made this unit, this wig, I had the bangs cut more going inward like this, not angled like so. All of the tracks were stitched by hand onto a wig cap. As you can see, they're all stitched down. Looking messy now, y'all. So, to add the additional tracks to give me this angle, what I did was I can't see. Okay, I used micro beads. It's quick, easy. And by doing it with the micro beads, if I decide that I want to go back to that other cut, I can just release these beads, take the tracks out, and then have that other cut again. So it's good if you want to switch it up. So yeah, that's what I did. You can't see them. I can wear this different ways. Like the way I cut it anyway, I could kind of swoop it over to the side. You don't feel them. They're flat. So again, this is just a quick tip on if you don't really feel like breaking out your needle and thread to add more tracks to your existing unit, you can try this method and see how it works for you. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like the little tip segments or whatever, let me know and I'll do more. Or if you want to do product reviews or whatever, like let me know. Hit your girl if I do them for you. I will do it for you.